Good morning, class 5th. Today again we have started chapter number 6, that is a safety and a first aid. At the last time we have discussed about the fire and its prevention, and today we have learned about that what to do in the case of a fire. This is your today's topic, what to do in a case of a fire. A fire that needs air to keep burning, and it can be put out by cutting off its air supply or the cooling down the burning substances. In the case of a small fire, this can be done by the following methods. First one is the throwing muds or sand over the fire. This cut off the air supply by covering the substances on fire. A small electric fire can be extinguished in this way. Second, pouring water over the fire, and this cool down the burning substances and also cuts off its air supply. And third one is the using a fire extinguisher. This is a simple device to extinguish a fire. Fire extinguishers are the various types, and these are special fire extinguishers for electric fire, but they all work in the same way by cutting off the air supply to the fire. And next, water should never be thrown over a fire caused by the electricity. You are already know that electricity can flow through the water and result in the person getting an electric shock. The water should also not be thrown over the burning petrol or kerosene. These are lighter than the water and could float over it and continue to burn. Instead, this could cause the fire to spread. If the fire is big, it is the best to shout for the help and immediately call the fire brigade and give the correct address and location to fire. And the fire brigade has a simple telephone number so that the people can remember it, and it is usually 101. Here it is the what to do if cloth catch fires. If your cloth that catch fire roll on the ground, and this cuts off the air supply to the fire and puts it out. If a blanket or a rug is available nearby, that rolling up in it is more effective in cutting off the air supply. And if someone else cloth catch fire, we use water to put out the fire. And in the absence of water, wrap the person up in a blanket and rug or overcoat. However, do not leave the person covered with a blanket for too long. This can result several burns to the body, as the blanket will not allow to burnt area to cool down. And remove the blanket as soon the fire is put out, and take steps given in a following section. And your next topic is the first aid. Here I have shown you the first aid kit. When a person get injured, a nurse and a doctor may not be immediately available. That the first aid is the care given to the injured person before a doctor or nurse can see him. Proper first aid can prevent the injury from the getting worse, and it is therefore important for us to know how to give first aid in a different kinds of accident. Here I have bandage station, and today's your question is what to do if cloth catch fire. Again I have repeated that question, what to do if cloth catch fire. Thank you class, and we have meet next video.